guys, what is up? It is LC coming at you with another video. Today I have another Paris Hilton Cosmetics to try out. I actually found this while I was at Marshall's, and it is a contour kit. I love to contour, I love bronzing, I love all that stuff. So when I saw this, I was like, why not? I had a pretty good response with my last Paris Hilton video, so I decided why not try out some more stuff. I had a couple people say they'd be interested in that, so let's do this. Let's give it a go. Right off the bat, I do have to say the packaging is really cool. I think it looks very professional, very nice. The back is a little weird. She's got this weird pixelated picture, which is kind of supposed to show how contouring works, I guess, but it's really weird. I don't know what's going on with that. Sculpt, define, and enhance your features with Paris Hilton's Sculpt and Contour Palette. I definitely do think of prominent features and chiseledness when I think of Paris Hilton, so I think it's gonna be good. I hope it's gonna be good. So the set comes with a cool little contour palette. It's in a plastic component and it's got 8 shades of contouring. It also comes with 2 brushes. One is called a contour brush and the other is called a blending brush. And then you've got this beauty blender type of sponge, which is just super hard. I mean, this thing is like a rock. I don't know how anybody is supposed to I don't know. Let's just get into using this. I'm excited to see how this works and let you know if it does work or whatever. I'm going to take the contour brush and I think for now I'm gonna try out this one right here. When you dip in there, it does pick up quite a lot on the brush. I don't know if you can see that. Before I go any further, I mean, that's what I've got laid down right now. Nothing crazy. I mean, you can see my cheekbones kind of naturally go in there, so I don't know if you can see that much of a difference. What I usually use right now, my normal contouring process is a brush that looks like this. It's got that same type of shape to it, but it's more fluffy, still nice and dense. And what I do is I lay it down and I blend as I'm doing the line. And then I go in with my bronzer and all that stuff. But what I'm assuming with this kit is that you're supposed to lay it down with this and then blend it out with this. I just wanted to let you know that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm so used to just going in and blending up as I'm doing it, so we'll see. This color does seem kind of nice. It seems a little warm though, which it doesn't look super warm in the pan, but maybe that's just me. Okay, ooh, oh. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and blend now before we get too crazy with this. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Honestly, I don't think this is doing much. I can see a little bit. It looks like it's very slightly dispersing it a little bit. Not to the point where I'm like, oh girl, yeah. Can you see a difference? Can you see it yet? No? No? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try some more. I really do like a chiseled jawline, so I wanna see how much we can get. I feel like people used to be obsessed with brushes like this for contouring, and I just never got into it because I feel like it leaves such a harsh line, which that's the feeling I'm getting right now, but maybe after I go in with my bronzer and all that, it'll be all right. I want to try the other side for now. I think this is actually looking pretty good. I don't know if it's just me. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do the other side. I'm still using the same color. I haven't dipped into anything else. And so far, I don't notice the brush picking up my foundation at all either. I don't feel like it's pulling away anything that I've laid down yet. Okay, I'm gonna go in and blend. do I dare go in with a darker color? But I'm feeling like I might want to try this one on the end just to deepen up my contour a little bit. I've got it all blended out pretty much as good as I can, and I'm not hating it. I'm actually really liking it. I feel like I look very chiseled right now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up around my forehead and my jawline and just get that done, and then we'll talk a little bit. Still don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel. What I would like to do is stop right now and talk for a minute about this contour palette. But I did get it for $7.99. This whole set with the 2 brushes, the sponge, the palette, $7.99, which is a beautiful price. That is so affordable. I mean, most people could probably do that, which is great. There were certain times where I felt like it just wasn't quite blending the way that I needed it to. I was struggling a little bit or just taking a little longer. Also, this 2-step system, this just took a little bit longer than my normal routine would. I do think that this stippling type of brush, I felt like it did work actually very nicely. I could see myself using this in the future to blend out certain things on my face, my blush, or anything like that. I did very much like this brush. Now, this brush, I didn't mind it. I'm not normally somebody who likes this type of shape for a contour brush, but I think this actually opened my eyes up to how useful this shape can be in creating that nice sharp contour. But this brush in particular was almost a little too dense. I felt like just a little too hard of pressure, and you're wiping off that foundation that you spent quite a while blending out and making it look nice. I liked this one though. This one was really nice. I liked it. Alright, so now that all of my makeup is finished, I did want to just come back and give some final thoughts on this contour palette. I did actually end up really liking this palette. I think it's really great for the price. I mean, I wish I could get it in singles though, because honestly, these brushes aren't super necessary. I feel like the contour is just looking good. I mean, it's got bronzer on now. I used my Benefit Hula bronzer, and it did end up looking really nice actually. They are both super soft, but again, not necessary. Everybody, I feel like, has their favorite brushes for certain things like that, and I think that this will work just fine with your regular brushes that you use. It really did work nicely. It blended out beautifully, I think. I like it. I'm definitely excited to keep using it, and yeah, I did not use these lighter shades, as you obviously saw, but I think if you want to see me use them, I'll give them a go, I guess. I'm definitely excited to keep going and trying out more Paris Hilton things. I think that this really did change my perspective on it, and I am more interested in more of her products. I had a bad experience with the lip set, but this was actually a really good first impression. I'm really enjoying it so far, and if you want to see me do more Paris Hilton tryouts and reviews and first impressions, you let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And until next time, stay flawless, guys.